Okay, so we're moving on. Now, these are the steps to prepare your home for potential buyers. So you want to appeal to 90% of the buyers 90% of the time. That includes making it inviting right from the time they walk up, to have great curb appeal, great smells when they come inside the home, nice decorations, nicely staged, preparing that home so buyers are going to love it and they can picture themselves living there. So some homes need more staging than others. Some homes are staged perfectly, and some homes have a lot of clutter and need to be decluttered a little bit. So we can help you with that, and we have professional stagers, we have professional designers, and we have discounts on paint and renovations. You could do flooring. There's all different kinds of things that we could do to help you to prepare your home for sale. We're gonna sit down with you and we're gonna go over properties, show you what staged properties sell for, show you what cluttered properties sell for, so you really have an idea of how to maximize the sale price of your home. This preparation in your home is gonna be key to making it inviting to potential buyers. Make sure you don't underestimate this part.